kids, let's learn some colors and shapes. Yellow color, blue color, dark green color, black color, dark brown color. Let's draw the shape. Hexagon, circle, pentagon, triangle, heart, star, brown color, hexagon, hexagon, brown color, hexagon, light yellow color, circle, 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 light yellow color, pink color, pentagon, pentagon, pink color, sky blue color, triangle, triangle, sky blue color, light green color, heart, 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 light grey color, star, 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 light grey color, brown color, light yellow color, pink color, sky blue color, light green color, light gray color. Hexagon, circle, pentagon, triangle, heart, star. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.